Hello Tech Explorers! Today, I'll be showing you how to create a countdown timer on our Maker board. First, let's add the MyProgram block to initialize the program. Next, create a variable named j and set its value to 9. Then, insert an infinite loop block so that the Maker board will continuously perform a countdown when a button is pressed. We'll start by coding the W button so that when it's pressed, the countdown begins. Now, add a finite loop block where we set the value of I to 9 and decrement it by 1 with each loop, exiting when I reaches 0. Next, add a block to display the value of j on the LED screen, which will serve as the countdown. After that, include the play tone block to make the Maker board beep every second of the countdown. After displaying j for 1 second, decrease j by 1. Finally, let's define what the Maker board will do after exiting the finite loop. The display will clear and the jingle melody will play. Our program is complete. Let's test it out now.